Okay guys, now our landing page is really great, so we get HTTPS. So if you use Namecheap hosting or Namecheap domain, Namecheap hosting, you will get free HTTPS certificate. So yeah, it's required to any kind of website. Okay, now we have to set uh, Google Analytics. To do that, I have to go Google Analytics and click on admin. After that yeah, okay. After that I have to create new account. So I click on create new account. What? Oh, we can use the same account. So yeah, let's use the same account. So I click on create property. After that my website is its website and click continue. After that, what is my site name? Site name is spiritual thoughts. This is the site name, and site URL is site URL. This is the site URL. Yeah, that is the site URL. Okay, great. So I remove this part and remove this part. After that I make it as HTTPS. Then industry is, what is industry? Let me add those stuff and I will. Okay, I create the account. So now I have to get this tracking code and upload to my website. To do that, I go to my website folder location and click on edit. After that I'm going to edit this page. So in header, let's add it here, then save changes and we are good. So let's check it. Yeah. Why it's not working? Let's go to home and okay, let's refresh this page. Isn't it working? No, it's working. Okay, great. Now it's working. Okay, now we successfully add the Google Analytics. Now we have to add this website to our spiritual thoughts Instagram account. To do that, I have to go to spiritual thoughts my Instagram account and click on edit profile. Then I add this website in website area. After that I change this bio. So I will add what will that? Yeah, let's add free energy vibration quiz or fix. Let's copy this one, then get free energy. Check free energy, right? Okay, nice. Now let's add some emojis. text. Okay, great. Let's get this emoji and let's go here. What about this? I hope it will be great, so I click on submit. Let's see it on our profile. Nice. But we don't need this ads. Let's remove that hands and add other emojis. Which emojis will be the best? I have great idea. Let's add this emoji. What about there? Okay, nice. Let's open. Now we have to wait. This work. So until this work. So if someone click here and come to our landing page, then they take this quiz. After that they redirect to our affiliate product. Then they will, if they like it, they will purchase it. So that is how it works. So yeah, let's see what will happen. I will see you in next one. Bye bye. And I will update you. Definitely I will update you.